Hello, my name is Rob. In this clip I'll be showing you how to replace the batteries in the white remote control, which is this one. If you have a different remote control, click on this link. Does your appliance no longer switch on? Flat batteries could be the problem. But how do you know for sure? The battery icon is nearly empty, or the display doesn't work at all anymore. In 3 simple steps, I'll show you how to resolve this. What do we need? The white remote control. 2 new AAA batteries, not rechargeable. How do we replace the batteries? There's a battery cover on the back of the remote control. Simply open it, remove the old batteries, and insert the new ones. Then replace the battery cover. One tip: always ensure you insert 2 same brand batteries. We're now going to test whether the appliance works. We will now switch it on. If the appliance switches on, then the problem is resolved. What about if the appliance doesn't switch on? Perhaps the batteries in the remote control receiver are empty. Click here to skip to that clip. Have you replaced all the batteries but still no luck? If so, please contact our service department, who will be happy to assist you further.